Alright, so that is the middle of the plate. That should be the middle, I guess. That's what I actually built it for. So now I go to C, which is over there. There's a lot of cables, I know, but that's on that point. Now I go to B, which is on the other side. And then I go to A. And as you can see, it's way off. Well, way off. It's not close to the plate. So now I'm wondering, should I move the plate, or is there actually something in the Marlin firmware that I can, well, I don't know, configure? Because, well, this isn't what it should be. As you can see, let's see. Oh, crap. I gotta work on that, flatten it out a bit, but okay. As you can see, C is on the mirror, B is on the mirror, and A just, I don't know, it's not on there.